Winter is often misunderstood. It's seen as an ending, a pause, a season to survive rather than embrace. But across cultures, climates, and centuries, winter has always been a time of renewal. A time when the world quiets, when nature rests, and when humans, if they allow it, can heal more deeply than at any other time of year. Welcome to Krosstrail. Here, travel is not rushed. Luxury is not loud. And wellness is not reduced to trends or treatments. In this extended cinematic journey, we explore 50 of the world's most extraordinary winter wellness destinations, places where cold becomes a catalyst, where silence becomes medicine, and where luxury supports restoration rather than distraction. Settle in. Lower the lights. Let the season guide you. Snowflake, what is winter wellness? Winter wellness is about alignment. Aligning with shorter days, with slower mornings, with the body's natural desire to rest, reflect, and repair. Luxury winter wellness destinations share a few essential qualities. They honor place, mountains, deserts, forests, ice, and geothermal land. They value space, privacy, silence, and uninterrupted time. And they understand that true luxury is the ability to disconnect without discomfort. This is wellness without urgency. Healing without performance. Let us begin. Chapter 1. Thermal and Hot Spring Wellness. Heat, mineral water, ancient rituals, deep physical restoration destinations 1 to 10. Consistently. Arrival, atmosphere, sensory contrast, cold versus warmth, healing tradition, emotional takeaway 1. Geothermal lagoons of Iceland. In the depths of winter, steam rises from black volcanic stone. Snow falls silently. And beneath the surface, mineral-rich water restores muscles, joints, and breath. Soaking here is not indulgence. It is elemental. The cold sharpens awareness. The heat dissolves tension. Time slows to the rhythm of rising steam. 2. Alpine thermal baths of Switzerland, carved into stone and mountain. These baths feel timeless. Walls echo with silence. Water holds warmth that feels earned after the cold walk in. Here, wellness is architectural. Designed not to impress, but to calm. 3. Ancient springs of Tuscany, Italy. Thermal waters flow freely through open landscapes. No rush. No walls. Steam mingles with winter fog. History lingers in every ripple. 4. Japanese snow onsen villages, wooden baths beneath falling snow. Quiet rituals passed down generations. Here, wellness is respect, for water, for body, for silence. 5. Canadian Rockies, hot springs. Mountains rise like guardians. Breath crystallizes in the air. Immersed in warmth, the body relaxes completely, while the mind learns to let go. 6. Austrian healing galleries, thermal tunnels deep within mountains. Stillness enforced by stone. Breathing slows. The nervous system resets. 7. Turkish mineral terraces, white stone, pale winter light, and warm flowing water. A landscape shaped by patience. Healing here feels both ancient and immediate. 8. Coastal thermal springs of the southern hemisphere, cool ocean winds meet underground heat. Balance returns naturally. 9. Northern forest hot springs surrounded by trees, blanketed in snow. Steam curls upward like a signal fire. 10. Arctic hot pools beneath the aurora, heat below. Light above. A reminder that contrast creates clarity. From warmth drawn from the earth, we move upward, to mountains shaped by winter itself. Chapter 2. Alpine, Snow and Mountain Spa Retreats. Altitude, movement, recovery, elegance and isolation destinations 11 to 20. 11. High-altitude European spa palaces luxury here whispers. Fireplaces glow softly. Spa rituals focus on recovery, not spectacle. 12. French Alpine ski and wellness lodges days begin with movement. Evenings end in warmth and stillness. Balance restored naturally. 13. Austrian mountain wellness resorts tradition meets innovation. Cold plunges sharpen the senses. Saunas release what no longer serves. 14. Italian Dolomite eco-luxury retreats snow-covered peaks surround sustainable sanctuaries. Wellness aligned with nature. 15. Historic Canadian mountain hotels old world elegance. Deep quiet. Winter becomes a companion, not a challenge. 16. Japanese snow country ryokans tatami floors. Private outdoor baths. Minimalism allows space for restoration. 17. Himalayan winter retreats cold air. Ancient wisdom. Wellness practiced slowly, intentionally. 18. Modern alpine design hotels glass walls frame snowfields. Infinity pools dissolve boundaries. 19. Bavarian forest wellness estates mist rises from frozen ground. The forest holds stillness like a secret. 20. Remote mountain wine and spa lodges evenings unfold beside firelight. Wellness becomes ritual. When the body finds balance, the mind is ready for silence. Chapter 3. Mindfulness, Silence and Spiritual Winter Escapes. Inner stillness, reflection, contemplative luxury destinations 21 to 30. 21. Snow-covered meditation centers silence amplified by winter. Thoughts slow naturally. 22. Himalayan ashram retreats breath visible in the cold air. Stillness becomes grounding. 23. European monastic guesthouses stone walls. Simple meals. Sacred rhythm. 24. Zen winter retreats in Japan snow gardens. Slow walking. Tea ceremonies in silence. 25. Californian winter mindfulness sanctuaries cool air clears the mind. Nature supports reflection. 26. Nepalese mountain hermitage lodges few words spoken. Much understood. 27. Alpine spiritual retreat centers chapel bells echo through snow. 28. French countryside mindfulness communities winter days devoted to presence. 29. Bhutanese winter lodges happiness measured in still moments. 30. Nordic silence cabins no schedules. No noise. Only breath and awareness. Healing does not always require gentleness. Sometimes, it requires contrast. Chapter 4. Climate contrast and desert winter healing. Cool deserts, stark beauty, elemental balance destinations 31 to 40. 31. High desert luxury retreats snow dusts red rock. Stillness feels immense. 32. Arabian winter desert wellness resorts cool nights. Warm hospitality. 33. Remote dunes surrounded sanctuaries firelight under stars. 34. South American high-altitude deserts dry air clears the body. 35. African desert eco-wellness camps silence stretches endlessly. 36. Australian outback winter retreats ancient land energy in cooler months. 37. Atlas mountain ryads hammams glow against mountain cold. 38. California desert wellness compounds minimalism meets introspection. 39. Cave wellness hotels stone walls hold warmth and history. 40. Sacred desert monasteries cold air, deep devotion. Beyond the familiar, lies the extreme. Chapter 5. Polar, Arctic and extreme luxury wellness. Edge of the world healing, profound reset destinations 41 to 50. 41. Arctic tree retreats glass walls. Snow silence. 42. Ice architecture wellness hotels temporary beauty. Permanent memories. 43. Northern fjord wellness lodges cold seas. Warm interiors. 44. Remote Icelandic farm retreats isolation becomes clarity. 45. Antarctic luxury camps stillness beyond comparison. 46. Private Alaskan mountain chalets no crowds. No noise. 47. Northern Norway ski and spa bases movement balanced by restoration. 48. Greenlandic remote lodges raw landscape. Refined simplicity. 49. Aurora viewing wellness domes light dances overhead. 50. Patagonia winter wellness lodges wind. Stone. Silence. Closing reflection. Winter does not ask us to escape. It asks us to listen. To slow down. To rest deeply. To heal intentionally. These destinations are not about luxury alone. They are about alignment, with nature, with season, with self. If one place stayed with you, let it guide your next journey. This is Krosstrail, where travel becomes meaning. Until next time, move slowly. And let winter restore you.